Ma'am, will it be any consolation yung statement naman po kahapon ng PNP through their spokesperson na they're not taking this statement hook, line, and sinker and ano po, still for verification ang binabanggit daw po nitong sinasabing ni Liao kasi wala naman siyang inihertong ebidensya anuman.
Ted, that is what I meant when I said the PNP is not working on the same page. Last Friday pa, Monday itong last na clear dahil dun sa sinurrender na cellphone na forensic exam. Monday pa yan, cleared na yung dalawa. Ilalabas ngayon ng PNP yung statement nila na clearing this. And I hope that statement includes an apology. Dahil Friday pa yan, clear na hindi siya involved. Anong ginagawa ni Jean Fajardo, no? It's not her fault. No, sorry, siya ay messenger lang. Nung huli, hinabol niya at sinabi na is still for verification. Pero na-clear na kasi yan, hindi naman just for verification. Dahil Wednesday last week pa sila nagpa-investigate. 2-hour debriefing yan, 2 hours. Then Friday, Saturday, yung cellphone nila, sinabmit nila for forensic examination. So Monday, sinabi na sa kanila na yes, clear, walang nakuhang evidence. So they're not working on the same page. Kanya-kanya. Cybercrime, ang gumawa ng forensic exam, directorial staff ang gumawa ng debriefing, AKG ang kasama nila from day one. So that these 3 PNP offices are not working together.